Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton. Alright, this is my day to tackle this storage unit. Look at this, this is a mess. Not to mention, I gotta get my pirate stuff and bring it in here. And then I got all these supplies that I had to get to start our new accounts and everything. So I can't even get that stuff in there until we clean this out. Alright y'all, let y'all see when me and my son get done. Making a little bit of progress, y'all, but it is hot and supposed to be climate control. It's supposed to be cool right now. I'm burning up, and when I'm hot, it chases me away from doing this, but I gotta complete it. All right, so I'll let y'all see. I got all this stuff out the hall. So, I ain't put my stuff away yet, but let's see how it turns out. Alright, y'all. This is the end result. I gotta take a couple of them vacuums to the shop, but I made space for my stuff I gotta get from the pirates. And my stuff put away. Now it's safe to walk. I put what I need at least in the back and what I might need soon up front. Alright, y'all. Task done for the day. Talk to you guys later.